For a better structure and smoother workflows in the team, you can create profile groups, which allow you to divide the messages of all your profiles so you don't have to look at them all at once. To create a profile group, go to Settings, to engage profile groups, and press plus profile group. Name the profile group. Here all the members of your account are listed, and you can simply choose who should be assigned to the profile group. Click Save, and you'll find a new profile group among your other profile groups. Press plus profiles to select the social media profiles you want to receive all the messages of in your profile group. They are sorted by network. I'm just going to choose 2 profiles of different networks and press Save. And now you can see the 2 profiles in the profile group. If you want to make changes like renaming the group or add another team member, you can do this up here. Back in your inbox, your profile group should appear in the drop-down, and you can choose it. Now you and your team can focus on the messages of those selected profiles only.